Fast welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share latest important updates about KKS coin, its price prediction this year, mega bullion, and in short term, is it possible that we can see KKS repeat same rally as we see yesterday from Moondang and few days ago from Chill Guy and Turbo and Braid? So is it possible that KKS can do 5 to 10x in short term and 1000x in this year? Mega bullion or not, so videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, KK's current price $0.031 and its all-time high price was $0.4. Okay, 6 months ago when this coin was newly launched, and Elon Musk tweeted about this coin, changed his profile to KKS, and coin make a massive hype and listed in major central exchanges. And all-time high price was $0.4. Right now, you can see friends, $0.031. We almost 80 to 90% down right now than its all-time high. And you can see chart is also looking in bottom. Coin initially started here and loan was posted about this coin, and it reached $0.4 all-time high price. After that, friends, coin is right now down here, but last 3 days, because entire crypto market is pumping, so this coin is also pumped but not huge, because you can see only $31 million market. Okay, only $31 million market for KKS right now. $14.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is somehow good. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin, you can see friends, frog theme meme coin, Elon Musk inspired meme coin, and Poltify meme, AI meme. So that is are amazing for this coin. And friends, I see we are 92% down the all-time high. They were 4 months ago, and 4,300% up the all-time low. Also, coin has already killed 3 zeros when make its all-time high, but right now add one more zeros. So performance from this coin is no doubt amazing. CoinX, Get.io, MEX has already listed this coin. Bitnix has already listed this coin. Arbit has listed this coin. And FreeSexy, BingX, VixX exchanges also list this coin. But there are no any tier 1 central exchange listing for this coin. Bybit has no list yet. Gemini has no list yet this coin. Binance Coinbase, no anywhere this coin is listed. But you can buy from MEXC and Gate.io. I already provide you both central exchanges links in description where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. So friends, no doubt is Elon Musk is already promote this coin. So in future, maybe in next week or in next month or in next couple of months, if it's possible that Elon Musk already again tweet about this coin, then definitely we can see a massive boom in KKS also. But if Elon must not tweet about this coin, and we can not see any other promotional tweet about KKS from Elon Musk, then this coin can pump slowly, but definitely this will pump also, because right now we are 92% down than its all-time high, and the coin is good, no doubt. The categories are amazing, just like this is a Poltify coin, AI meme and Poltify are both new categories for this bullion. Frog theme meme coin, DSI meme. So coin is looking good, and have use case also very good. Website is also looking good. I can see friends, KKS maximum loans Pepe. So this is loan must Pepe, and you can check out all details here on their website, the legend, and all further details I have provided here on their website. So no doubt friends, tokens looking good. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange. A few months ago I buy this coin around $0.025. At that time I also shared this video with you, and told you about this coin on Telegram, that long term maybe this coin can perform amazing, because still we have a mega bullion ahead. Maybe at that time we can see KKS coin in $1 billion. My price prediction about KKS is maybe 3 to 10 billion dollars. Right now it's maybe looking impossible, friends, but it's possible because it's crypto market, and in meme coins everything is possible. So I think maybe we can see KKS from just 31 million to 3 to 10 billion dollars market in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. But friends, this video is no any financial advice video. If you're not making investment here, do your own research and then invest here. And if you still not join my Telegram channel, so you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you all latest crypto updates. Okay, that I not making videos. You can see friends. Recently, I buy Kango coin for short term. You can see I buy 17 million Kango coin, $366 for at this price. You print 4 times 0 to $1 for short term. Clearly, you can see I told you that I'm buy this coin for short term, and this is highly risky trade also, not a financial advice. And because I'm already holding Kango for long term also on MEX exchange and many other information. Yeah, so link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. And friends, if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I also provide these all my crypto resist links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you can just click here in pinned message. Okay, yeah, just you have to click here in pinned message. You can get my addresses. You can copy address and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins.